Meaning of Girl Guider.
Girl Guider.
Girl Guider.
Girl Guider.
Girl Guider. Girl Guider typically refers to a female leader or mentor within the Girl Guides organization, which is an international movement that aims to support and empower girls and young women. Girl Guiders are responsible for leading and facilitating activities and programs that help girls develop skills, confidence, and independence. They may also act as role models and provide guidance and support to girls who are navigating personal or social challenges. In short, a Girl Guider is someone who helps girls grow into confident and capable young women through mentorship, leadership, and guidance.